idea for this film was born out of nightmares, as well as many other themes that are relevant, from electricity to nature to friends and fear and intruders. And the pre-production process for this film in particular was honestly almost non-existent. I had many ideas and just decided to shoot them and put them together later. Right now, we're about to film the nightmare scene, I guess, or the spookier scene of this whole thing. Drawing inspirations for more surreal things. I really want to get inside the head of someone who's just having a restless night. I'm using a Rode NTG2 because in my films I think that audio is without a doubt the most important aspect of a film. Really, you can build a world with sound editing unlike any other visual thing. So that's why I use ambience, like my toilet, which is right next to my bedroom, as if you're just hearing this droning noise all night.
Yeah.
Or, obviously the voiceover that keeps playing. Making bizarre films can be extremely painful or difficult, which is why casting is extremely important. These two, Parker Eubanks and Christian Tiffin, fill those roles perfectly, adding a great sense of fear and discord to the project, making you really feel like you're out of this world.
When are you gonna finish your film?
Alright, Parker, going now. As much as the on-set footage is important, I do think that the majority of the film comes into completion in the post, which is why I spend a lot of time editing the sounds and the visuals. As you can tell, there's a lot of animation, like manipulation of the video that we're seeing. A lot of black in the background so that I can blend images together a lot. Some of the harder decisions come in the way that you want to deliver these messages and themes to the audience, primarily in the sequences where Christian's character speaks in a very echoey, very
Do you hear
weird
that?
fishbowl sounding kind of
I'm chewing on electricity.
method. And, synchronizing the visuals where they turn to high contrast to elicit a sense of electricity, like a zap, or the thunderbolt. These decisions are the kind of decisions that I mull over the majority of the time in the post, and hopefully I decide on the right way to tell the story.